In this video, we will go over the examples in section 2.7. Example 1a, round 36.4781 to the nearest thousandths. When we want to round, the first thing we have to do is locate the particular place value. In this case, since we want to round to the nearest thousandths, we want to locate the digit in the thousandths place. As we know, the thousandths place is the third digit to the right of the decimal point. Hence, in this particular case, 8 will be in the thousandths place. Once we have located that digit, what we will do is we will look at the number to the right of that digit. There will be two rules. Rule number one, if the digit to the right is greater than or equal to 5, then the digit we underlined will increase by 1. If the digit to the right is less than 5, what we underlined will remain the same. Since 1 is less than 5, then our digit, the 8, will remain the same. So to write our rounded number, what we do is we write everything exactly the same up to our place value, and we remove the rest of the digits. Hence, if we round 36.4781 to the nearest thousandths, that rounded number will be 36.478. Example 1b, round 36.4781 to the nearest hundredth. The hundredths place is the second digit to the right of the decimal point. Hence, in this particular case, 7 will be in the hundredths place. Now that we have located that digit, we're going to look to the digit on the right. Since 8 is greater than or equal to 5, then our underlined digit, the 7, will go up by 1 unit. So the 7 will now become an 8. So to write our new number, everything else stays the same, 36.4. The 7 becomes an 8, and we remove the rest of the numbers. So 36.4781 rounded to the nearest hundredth will be 36.48. Example C, round 36.4781 to the nearest tenth. As we know, the tenths place is the first digit to the right of the decimal point. So in this case, 4 is in the tenths place. If we look at the number to the right, we see a 7. Since 7 is greater than or equal to 5, then our 4, our underlined number, will go up by 1 unit. So the 4 will become a 5. So to write our rounded number, we will have 36.5, and we remove the rest of the digits. So 36.4781 rounded to the nearest tenth will be 36.5. Example D, round 36.4781 to the nearest whole number. As we know, a whole number does not have any digits to the right of the decimal point. Hence, in this case, the place value we are interested in is the ones place, since that will represent our whole number. Now that we have our number underlined, we will look to the number to the right. Since 4 is less than 5, then the 6 will remain the same. So to write our rounded number, the 3 remains the same, the 6 remains the same, and we remove the rest of the digits. Therefore, 36.4781 to the nearest whole number will be 36.